Hello, crafty friends. This is the paper chef here. I'm at my friend Tina's house. She's hosted a workshop, and we call the workshop Under the Sea. Here are the projects my students made. I'm very proud of them. Sorry for all the noise in the background. So what I want to do is take you through the projects the students made and the stamp sets we used, and you'll get a closer look at each. Okay, the main stamp set we used for these projects was called Sea of Textures. It's in Stampin' Up's annual catalog. Okay. We created all of these cards using the Sea of Textures, Tranquil Textures, Designer Series paper. Okay, and we used a lot of different stamping colors and blending techniques. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in a little closer. Now for these little Sharpie treats that you're looking at now, we used the stamp set called Truly Tailored. It was part of the Occasions catalog, and now it's in the annual catalog. Up here you're looking at the Magical Mermaid cards. Beautiful, and they used the blends to color the Magical Mermaid cards. Get a closer look. And for those cards, we used this set here called Magical Mermaid. And this is part of the annual catalog by Stampin' Up. And if I get in closer, you can see that we used a lot of punching techniques as well. This is the decorative trio punch where they punch the corners. Okay, now on the final step, although the workshop was called Under the Sea and it was a nautical theme, some students wanted to create some other cards using this nature theme set. Okay, so these came out wonderfully in the blends. They used the blends and the markers to color them. And for that, they used the beautiful, beautiful day stamp set. Okay, so here again, I'm going to go through the 4 stamp sets we used. And one more time, I'm going to go through the projects a little slower. Here you go. Sea of Textures, Magical Mermaid, Truly Tailored. For that one, we just used the Looking Sharp, and Beautiful Day. And now I'm going to show you the projects close up. My students did an absolutely fabulous job. No 2 cards are the same. No 2 projects are the same. There was lots of choices involved and lots of variations of the samples. Here you go. I hope these projects will serve as inspiration to you in some of the crafting that you're doing. Okay, here we go. This was my sample, one of my samples. Okay, and then I'm going to go through the Magical Mermaid cards as well. Most of the time they colored the mermaid in Pool Party. But they use different colors for the hair, like sometimes Cajun Craze, sometimes Crumb Cake. Okay, here we go. And then there's the Beautiful Day. So I couldn't be prouder of their work in the Under the Sea Stampin' Up workshop. Thank you for watching.